Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-arrange apps on Android, especially on the Realme 15 series. If your home screen looks messy or apps are scattered, you can easily organize everything in just a few steps. First, go to your home screen and long press on any empty space. This will open the customization menu. Now tap on Home Screen Settings. Inside this menu, select Home Screen Settings. If your home screen is set in drawer mode, then change it to standard and tap Apply. Now go back to Home Screen Settings. Then you'll see Icon Autofill option. Simply enable it. Now go back to your home screen, and you'll notice your apps are automatically aligned and filling empty spaces. If your device supports more options, you can also open App Drawer Settings. Some phones allow you to sort apps alphabetically, by usage, or by install date, which helps keep everything organized. So, yeah, that's how you can quickly auto-arrange apps on Android and fix your home screen layout.